I'm Paul Resurrection. I'm part of the Chasing Light 11 batch of the Chasing Light workshop. Ito yung isang photograph ko. It's entitled Pacific Sunrise kasi we took this in Aurora on Ampere Beach on the Pacific side of Luzon. One of my few sunrise shots kasi mas magandang kumuha ng sunrise shots sa Pacific side doon nagagaling araw. Sinarte kami maganda yung araw na may cloud movement. This was about 1.6 second shot.
Okay.
That's why there's a parang flattening ng tubig. May
Nagdalo siya blur.
Yeah, medyo blurred yung tubig. This is one of my favorite shots.
Okay, yes.
Why? Because it's sunrise, parang it's a new day. Yeah.
It's really a nice shot, yeah.
Thank you.
So, can you just explain about what's special about Chasing Light Batch 11?
Chasing Light 11, we're a group of students of Jay Alurina and Edwin Martinez. What makes us special is it just so happens that almost everyone in the batch is a real landscape enthusiast.
Okay.
Real landscape, maybe you could call them us, landscape addicts. We go out in the field, almost every month, no fail. Isang yaya mo lang may sasama. Why? Because we love landscape, we love nature, we love to document beautiful sceneries. Why? Because it's timeless.
Yes, it
What's
is.
beautiful today, this photograph will still be beautiful 100 years from now. Because it's timeless. And that's the appeal of landscape for us. And it just so happens that every one of us, each member, really loves landscape equally. That's why, maybe that's, to me, that's the reason why.
Okay, so isang yayaan lang, lahat.
Madaling magyaya eh.
Okay. Yeah, especially it's difficult to organize this out of town trips. Most of this landscape photography is always out of town.
Yun pa, kasi yung iba iniisip magastos. Pero kung marami kayo, 8 kayo magkakasama, ginagawa namin, nagre-renta na lang kami isang van.
Okay, yeah.
Hati-hati kami sa expenses. Yung titirahan namin hotel, minsan 5 kami sa isang kwarto para lang may tutulugan, para lang makatipid, para lang makashoot.
Okay, so there's a lot of sense of adventure as well, yeah?
And you get to places where you wouldn't think you would go if not for landscape. Kasi these places, they're in the middle of nowhere.
Okay.
Minsan wala talagang development.
Okay, yeah. Okay, thank you very much for the interview, Paul.